In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best electric spray guns available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the electric spray guns mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Gisam HVLP Cordless Paint Sprayer. The Gisam Brushless HVLP Cordless Paint Sprayer is designed for DIY enthusiasts. With adjustable flow control, it ensures precise paint application. The brushless motor provides power and efficiency, while compatibility with Makita 18V batteries offers convenience. Easy to assemble, use, and clean, it includes attachments for hassle-free maintenance. Ideal for home improvement, woodworking, and auto refinishing projects. Number 4, 800 ml Cordless HVLP Paint Sprayer. This 800 ml HVLP cordless paint sprayer is perfect for home DIY, car beauty, and artistic projects. It features adjustable intensity, width, and spray modes for versatility. Its professional spraying effect delivers smooth, even surfaces, and the precise control ensures high-quality results. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it's easy to disassemble and clean, making maintenance simple. A great tool for beginners and professionals alike. Number 3, ProStormer 750W HVLP Paint Sprayer. The ProStormer 750W HVLP electric spray gun is ideal for home DIY projects. With a 1,200 ml paint cup, it supports large projects without frequent refills. The 30,000 RPM no-load speed ensures fast and efficient spraying. Adjustable flow control allows for precise application, making it perfect for furniture, fences, and walls. Its powerful motor and user-friendly design make it a great choice for beginners and professionals. Number 2, Wireless Electric Spray Gun for DIY Furniture. This wireless HVLP spray gun is designed for DIYers and furniture refinishing. Featuring adjustable flow control, it ensures even and precise paint application. Its high-power motor delivers a smooth finish, while compatibility with Makita 18V batteries makes it convenient. Easy to use and wash with included cleaning attachments, it's a reliable choice for both small and large projects. A must-have tool for home improvement. Number 1, PATUOPRO Electric Spray Gun. The PATUOPRO HVLP paint sprayer offers a smooth, professional finish with its upgraded brass nozzle. Compatible with Makita B-Series lithium batteries, it provides efficient and consistent spraying. The 1,000 ml paint container reduces the need for refills, making it great for large projects. HVLP technology ensures minimal overspray, delivering excellent results for furniture, walls, and DIY projects.